take a speaking test in English. When you see this screen, click on Speaking. When you see this screen, click on Begin the Test. When you take the test, you will listen with headphones and talk into a microphone. Check your microphone when you see this screen. Click the record button. Say your name and the name of your school. Speak clearly into the microphone and don't whisper.
Luis Gomez, Central Elementary School.
Then click the stop button. Check that you hear your voice.
Luis Gomez, Central Elementary School.
If you do not hear your voice, click the Try Again button. If you cannot hear your voice, raise your hand. The teacher will help you. If you hear your voice, click the I heard my recording button. This is Ms. Lee. She guides you through the speaking test and tells you what to do. Ms. Lee says the words in this box.
My name is Ms. Lee. I will guide you through the speaking test. Click the next button now to go on.
This box is blue. This means that Ms. Lee is asking you a question. Listen to Ms. Lee ask the question.
Now it's your turn. Listen to my question. Think about what you will say. When you're ready to answer, click the record button and begin speaking. Now tell me, what is the name of your school?
When you are ready, you will click the record button. Begin speaking after you click the record button. Speak clearly into the microphone and don't whisper.
Central Elementary School.
When you are talking, these bars move. This helps you know if your voice is loud enough. This circle helps you know when your turn is almost over. If you see the circle change color, it's time to finish your answer. When the circle is white, your turn is over. You might not need all of the time to say your answer. That's okay. If you finish speaking before the circle changes color, click the stop button. Click the next button when your turn is over. If the recording doesn't work, you will see this screen. You will need to record your answer again. Check your microphone. Remember to speak clearly and don't whisper. Click the OK button to try again. If the recording didn't work again, you will see this screen. If you see this screen, raise your hand. Wait for the teacher. You will also see a student named Nina. First, Nina answers a question, and then it's your turn. Listen to Nina's answers. They will help you know how to answer the questions. Ms. Lee will ask Nina a question, and Nina will give an answer. Then you will answer a question.
During the test, you will see pictures and words on the screen. I will tell you about the pictures and ask you and Nina questions. Nina, what are two things you see in this picture?
A girl and a chair.
Now it's your turn. Tell me, what other things do you see in this picture?
Listen carefully to your question. Ms. Lee can ask you and Nina different questions. When it's your turn, remember, say as much as you can. Listen to Nina's answers. Her answers will help you know how to answer the questions. Think about what you will say. When you're ready, click the record button and begin speaking. Speak clearly into the microphone and don't whisper. Use your best English.
A boy and a table.
After the practice, click the Next button to begin the speaking test. When you finish the speaking test,